Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the battery in an Acura MDX key fob. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR1616 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple task is quick and easy, typically taking just a few minutes from start to finish. Having the right battery and tools ready makes the process smooth. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side of the casing. Carefully insert the tip of your flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting or prying motion, separate the two halves of the key fob. Be careful not to apply too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. The goal is to slowly unclip the casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Gently pry out the old CR1616 battery. Now, insert the new CR1616 battery, making sure the positive side faces up, just like the old one. Press it firmly into place. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them together until they click securely into place. Once reassembled, test all the functions of your key fob, like locking and unlocking your vehicle's doors, to ensure everything is working correctly. If you're looking for other great deals, remember to check the description below for links, including one for darn tough socks, known for their lifetime warranty and comfort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.